In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom's virtual background feature without the need for a green screen. Virtual backgrounds allow you to present yourself in a different environment, and they're a great way to maintain privacy or avoid distractions during video calls. Whether you're working from home or attending a virtual event, this feature can enhance your Zoom experience. Let's dive right in and get started on setting this up on your Windows or Mac computer. First, you'll want to open your Zoom application. If you're not sure where to find it, it's typically located in your Applications folder on a Mac or in the Start menu on Windows. Once you have Zoom open, direct your attention to your profile picture in the top right corner of the window. Go ahead and click on that, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new window where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience. Now from the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Backgrounds and Effects. Clicking on this will present you with the tools necessary to select and modify your virtual background. Here you'll see a variety of backgrounds that Zoom offers by default. You have the option to choose one of these, or, if you prefer a more personalized touch, you can upload your own image. To do this, simply click on the plus sign, which allows you to add a new image from your computer. As you choose your background, one important thing to remember is to make sure the option labeled I have a green screen is turned off. This setting is found right below where you select or upload your background. If this option is turned on, it assumes you have a physical green screen behind you, which can interfere with the virtual background functionality if you're not using one. By ensuring it's off, the Zoom software will effectively use its advanced algorithms to distinguish you from your environment and apply the virtual background seamlessly without the need for any additional equipment. After you've selected or uploaded your image and confirmed the green screen option is off, you're done. Zoom will automatically apply the chosen background to your video feed. You can test this immediately by starting a new Zoom meeting or joining an existing one. It's always a good idea to check the appearance of your background with your camera on before any important calls to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to enhance your background using Zoom without a green screen. This feature is incredibly handy for keeping your environment private and minimizing any potential distractions during your calls. It adds a unique and professional touch to your virtual presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Zoom meetings.